Hey guys, my name is Anu and I'm the Glamfra here on YouTube, on Instagram. So if you're new and you would like to join the family, please hit subscribe and the notification bell and you will know whenever I am updating and uploading a video. And if you're returning, thank you so much for coming back. I really appreciate all the love and affection. I can feel it. I can feel it, really, through the camera. I'm not kidding. I can really feel it. Leave me a like, comment, or subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram and I'll be really grateful for that. Before this intro gets very long, let's talk about this look that I created. Now, this is an extreme eyeliner look inspired by none other than the beautiful Dylan Saba. I hope I'm saying her name correctly. Don't kill me if I'm not. And yeah, but I took it to the next level, added a little bit of gold eyeliner, the gold glitter eyeliner, and made it a little more festive. So let me know what you think in the comments, and this is a fairly easy look to do. So before I keep on talking and not stop, let's get straight into the video, shall we? What is this? Seriously, let's get into the video. For today's look, I'm going to use the Morphe X Jeffree Star palette. I'm going in with the shade called Mr. Diva to first define my crease and then Honest Truth to deepen the crease further. Next, with the Epic Ink Liner from NYX Cosmetics in black, I'm going to draw on an extreme eyeliner covering the entire lid and just wing it out towards the end, as you can see. I have also set my eyeliner with a black eyeshadow so that it just doesn't move around. I'm defining the lower lash line with a black kohl pencil and then smudging it out using a lower lash brush. Next, adding on these really fluffy lashes and using the tweezer from Doll Lashes to just set them in place. Next, Bad Gal Bang Mascara to define the lower lashes. And then to add a little bit of drama, I'm going in with the NYX Glitter Gel Eyeliner in gold. Going in with my current favorite Sisley Lip Pencil. And topping that off with Venus by Huda Beauty. This is the liquid lipstick and that is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next one.
Yeah, I like the way you walk when you walk. And I can give you more when you want more. I can see it in your eyes, I'ma give it to you.